Welcome to the video educational series, Everything Building Envelope. Everything Building Envelope is brought to you by GCI Consultants, solvers and preventers of virtually any building envelope problem related to water leaks and glazing, wall and roofing systems. This video segment is titled Proper Integration of Wall Cladding and Glazing, and will provide a brief overview of the critical elements of integrating your glazing system with various wall claddings. This segment is presented by Chris Matthews, Vice President and Senior Consultant for GCI Consultants. This video excerpt is from a recent symposium where Chris presented on water infiltration in the building envelope.
We've got to choose and specify the proper type of system that meets the test criteria that we have, either those required by the code down here or something higher that we've specified based upon our project location and climate. We're going to detail proper integration of the glazing system with the materials around it, and then, in my opinion, and what we do all the time, is specify field water infiltration testing like the demonstration we're going to see outside. Because the field testing can test the system as it's installed on the job and how it integrates with everything around it. So we're expanding that scope out from just the glazing system to how it integrates with the actual building, how it's going to perform down the road in severe conditions, and we're going to figure out a way to do that so we don't have problems. Just kind of what kinds of wall construction we see. We do work all over the country with our base being here in Florida, but outside of South Florida, wood or steel stud frames. Down here, it's CMU, concrete walls, ICF walls. How do we clad them? Most of the jobs down here are stucco, some EIFS. We've got some precast panel jobs and metal panels. Then we get into other parts of the country where brick veneer, cultured stone, fiber cement siding, those kind of things are big. Whatever it is, though, that all has to be looked at, designed, and integrated together to give us our performance. How do we do that? Project-specific details in order to prevent water from entering the walls around the glazing system. Again, that's the majority of the problems that we see in our work. Not water coming through. Sure, that there can be problems, and we certainly have those as well, but the vast majority of the problems are water coming in around where various materials on the outside of the building join. It's often assumed that the exterior perimeter sealant joints, like the Dow Corning silicone, serve the purpose of integrating those materials, but that shouldn't be the whole approach. Yes, the perimeter sealant joint is the first line of defense, keeping out the majority of the bulk water, but we've got to have backup methods of integrating our systems so that, as someone earlier said, belts and suspenders, so that in severe events we don't have water coming into our buildings.
For more information on this video segment, to view more videos in the Everything Building Envelope video series, or to subscribe to our podcast, go to www.everythingbuildingenvelope.com. To learn more about GCI Consultants, visit us at www.gciconsultants.com.